In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Soundbar HDMI ARC not working issue. First, make sure the HDMI cable is connected to the correct HDMI ARC port on both the TV and the soundbar, because ARC will not work on a regular HDMI port. So next, go to your TV sound settings and set the audio output to HDMI ARC or external speaker depending on your TV brand. After that, enable CAC or any net plus in the TV settings, since HDMI ARC requires CSC to function properly. Now, restart your both TV and soundbar by unplugging them from the power outlet for about 60 seconds, then plug them back in to turn them on. If there's still no sound, try using different high-speed HDMI cable that supports ARC, as faulty or older cables often cause this problem. You should also check for software or firmware updates on both the TV and soundbar, because updates can fix ARC compatibility issues. So that's it.